Definitely did not get a very good yield this time.
How did it? They're not much there, Ralph. Well, you've got something there, I guess.
Something.
The thing is, the crude caffeine was supposed to be the yellowish green. Pure caffeine is white. Maybe? Maybe? How's your other before?
We've got stuff. Let's take a look at this.
Now be careful. I would suggest, yeah, take it off. Use 2 or 3 hands.
Oh, 3.
Don't knock it off. Yeah, you got the right idea. Just easy now. Just scrape it off. Now, let's see it.
See, we don't have that.
How long does it take?
That looks kind of sick, guys.
Last time it didn't have all the little bumps.
I'm going to put this back here. It's really hot. So. That's why.
See again. See what you're going to do in a. You have to look at the process in the melting point chapter. You have enough to knock off.
Are we going to use this stuff?
But
We're going to use this stuff?
see, this is hopefully this is supposed to be pure caffeine, but you're going to make a derivative of that, and then take the melting point of the derivative, and see that again is further. I don't understand why it's wet.
It wasn't last time.
That's what makes me wonder about things.
Okay.
If you need something extra, I mean, you know, if you need...
It's a lot better.
Yep.
Where's the rest? What does this, how does this compare?
It's whiter than this stuff.
Yes, it is. However, we've also got the yellow as well. because see, you can see that it's all sticking together. For some reason, I have no idea why. It's just needs to add more hexsulfate.
Do it slow enough so
It's nothing.
ask Brad about it. I don't think it is anymore.
You don't think so?
No. What do you think that is? But it's
No,
separating.
that's okay.
It's fine.
Yeah,
Let's see.
that's
How
fine.
can you tell before
Okay,
that?
because when it's going down, the molecules aren't sticking together. They're yeah, the crystals. I need that.
Okay. Why don't you? Yeah.
It's wet, isn't it? It's wet. How much? What kind of mass? I would add a little bit more. See, yeah, because that has, it has slowly. Not the good of it. Sure.
You want to tell me what you've got going here?
We've taken a chemical and made a derivative of the chemical, and we're checking the melting point to see if the chemical is pure. So by this we can check to see if the chemical is pure.
Did you have anything? Would you been able to do anything like this in your old high school?
No, organic chemistry is not usually offered in a regular high school. So this is a very unique experience doing these labs. And the classwork is it's very challenging. It's a college level, second year college level course. So it's
You feel challenged, I guess.
yeah, I feel challenged.
As opposed to last year, year before. What year are you?
I'm a senior.
So as opposed to 2 years ago.
Yeah. As opposed to 2 years ago, I feel very challenged.
What school are you from?
Alexandria.
Alexandria. What's your name?
Brad Cassity.
How do you spell your last name?
Cassity.
And you say you're a senior.
Yes.
Alexandria High School.
Yes. Alexandria Monroe High School.
Okay. I just want, so you say you're kind of monitoring the temperature, I guess, right?
Yeah.
And what will that tell you?
When this melts, the substance down here, and this capillary tube melts, read the temperature, and it'll tell you basically what substance you have, or the purity of the substance if you think that you have a substance.
Okay, thank you very much. If you just tell me your name and spell it for me, start with. Go ahead.
Dr. Thomas Adams, ADA-MS.
And what is your title?
I'm chair of the science division and I teach general chemistry and organic chemistry.
Okay. And what do we have here today?
We have my class of organic chemistry, which is a college level organic, and the materials we study are college oriented. We work on reaction pathways, somewhat different than a typical high school organic chemistry class. The laboratory procedures we do, we use a microscale chemistry procedure, which according to the author who we contacted when we started the course, might be the only microscale high school chemistry lab in the nation.
That's great. So you say a typical high school probably couldn't do this, let alone they don't.
They need the expertise of the teacher, and also it cost us probably close to $10,000 to outfit this lab to handle this kind of organic chemistry. So it's a case of personnel and funding.
No problem though with the students understanding this.
Absolutely not. They're quick. They're sometimes ahead of me. As teachers, they keep us hopping.
How else could you compare this to a traditional high school?
I taught in a traditional high school for 15 years. This is the top quarter of what I had typically in the typical high school. I have more good students in the one place.
One of the students described this as challenging. How would you describe it for yourself?
I've never worked harder in my life.
Anything else you'd like to add?
No.
Okay, that's perfect. Thank you. Yeah. We're doing pretty good. Not doing too bad, Amy. Yeah. Don't burn yourself.
It's like,
I know.
that's like me now. Good deal. think is good enough?
Doesn't look like enough.
No?
No.
Well, there's still some stuff on the side. Should we keep going? Maybe see
Well,
if
it probably won't, because see what's happened on that is that has shielded the heat from being there. Possibility, if you could twist it, so you could twist it, you know, just bring that this way,
that way.
and so the heat could get to that and maybe transform. If you're asking opinion, no.
I'm gonna twist it.
So we need to go through all this again? Can we just like
Let's see if we can get enough from, you know. What we have to do there is actually some lining. Medicine can take probably 99% of the bulk is starch.
Oh, wow.
Just as a filler to make it big enough. So even in that vibrant, I would guess, well, what's being interesting, it tells you how much vibrant, or how much caffeine is in a pill, right? Put a pill on the balance. I think you're going to find, no, I mean just in terms of mass. Take the mass of a pill.
I think this is like 200 milligrams. Usually, right?
Yeah, 100, 200 milligrams of caffeine.
It's probably.
And I got a feeling if you take the mass of one of those tablets, let's do it real quick, just for interest. It's not a
There's some down there.
Do you? Because remember we still had some.
Don't we have some down there still?
Okay, no, it's up in that box up on the top there.
At least I think it was a yourself. I didn't read it.
These are significant, that's not, or none of them are significant.
Gotta enter the rest of the class.
Let's call it Java.
Where does that put it?
It was saved on the spreadsheet. Those two are and that's not.
These two are, and that's not.
These two are? Those means are a lot different than these ones. It's short.